Right here, Tom is using a drywall cutout tool to just get some starting cuts on this drywall. We're trying to remove these walls to just give more room, and we're also going to be cutting out the front and removing the doors to put a garage door in there for a customer. And right now he's just cutting into it, and this tool is actually very good for this kind of thing. I believe it's just an oscillating multi-tool DeWalt, I believe. I don't know the exact proper term for what it's called, but this thing was a wonder on this job, especially with all this drywall that needed to be cleared. So next up, here's me. I'm just unscrewing this shelf. Just a bunch of pieces of wood. We're actually going to cut out this part of the wall as well. Good wood too. So it's kind of a shame that they're going to throw it away. So here Tom is just prying off this trim that's attached to the opening. So we had already got the doors out, just unbolted those and just moved those, put those in the scrap pile. We got half of it cut out. There's me just with a little sawzall, just cutting it in half so it's easier to move. Here we go with the other side. Just having a rope on it just to stabilize it, attach the trailer, and just lower it so it doesn't hit anything. And of course, we just use a sawzall again, cut this in half so it's easier to take to the trailer. So basically, at the job, why we were even removing this, it was converted to an office. The previous owners of this customer's house actually took out the previous garage door and put up some walls and whatnot, and made it a little office space. And the current customer wanted it, reverted back. The funny thing is, whoever converted this into an office really made sure that this wall and doors and trim some serious integrity, because this is only a small amount of it. This took quite a while to remove all of this. Very meticulous. So we got everything cleaned up, and this is Tom just setting up I believe those are the tracks. Got the panels laid out. Got all the parts of the door. And just off camera, we also have 2 openers set up. We also replaced the openers on these 2 doors as well. So here, looks like Tom is setting up the springs and the bar. And that's already got the bearings on it and the center plate as well. Now, we didn't record it, but on the left door, we also will. The one on the right is a insulated door, and the one on the left, we did put the insulation in ourselves. And with this garage already having an AC unit inside of there, it's pretty nice. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too hot. For now, all the panels are up and the springs are wound and everything. And the last panel is getting set on top, and it's going to get bolted on. So here's the finished door.